This case, I've gone ahead and I'm suing him. I'm not at this point actually even thinking about retracting that case. And that so-called retraction or whatever it is that he wants to call it, he then further goes and adds salt to the wound.
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson pushes ahead with 3 million defamation lawsuit against Floyd Shivambu. Despite a public retraction, MK Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela says he will proceed with the defamation lawsuit against the party's former Secretary General Floyd Shivambu, insisting the damage to his reputation has already been done. Shivambu, who has been removed from his position within the MK Party, had made explosive claims during a televised interview with the ENCA, accusing Ndlela of alcohol and drug abuse and labeling him a liar. In response, Ndlela issued a letter of demand calling for a formal apology, a public retraction on social media, and a request for ENCA to air a correction. Shivambu eventually issued a statement saying I must unconditionally retract the statements about drug use and alcohol abuse of Ndlela. The post was shared on his official X account, meeting part of Ndlela's demands, but the spokesperson remains unmoved. In an interview with the independent newspaper, Ndlela dismissed the retraction as insufficient, accusing Shivambu of playing a semantic games rather than expressing genuine remorse, and said he did not apologize, he merely retracted. He said he was advised to do so, which means it was not done voluntarily. Ndlela has filed court papers seeking 3 million in damages, stating that the allegations were not only false and malicious, but had significantly tarnished his image as a public representative, and said these are serious allegations, especially coming from a fellow member of parliament. As the spokesperson of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, credibility and integrity are essential. These baseless remarks were made with a malice and without any lawful justification. Ndlela said the fallout from Shivambu's statements has been deeply personal and professionally damaging. He described being inundated with calls and messages from concerned colleagues, supporters and members of the public, many expressing disbelief and ridicule, and said the plaintiff experienced anxiety, stress and humiliation. His credibility was questioned by his party and other parliamentary colleagues. He suffered a loss of trust and damage to his public image. According to Ndlela, the impact extended beyond personal distress. He believes his political career has suffered a blow, citing a decline in public confidence, social media mockery, and a tarnished reputation among constituents. The court papers said the conduct of the defendant is the factual cause for the damages suffered, but for the defamatory statements, the plaintiff would not have suffered this harm. Shivambu had been given until June 24 to fully comply with the letter of demand, including issuing a penned apology post for a minimum of 7 days and requesting a correction from ENCA. However, Ndlela contends that Shivambu failed to meet the terms in full. The matter is expected to proceed in court, where Ndlela will argue that no mere retraction can undo the reputational harm inflicted by Shivambu's public accusations. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.